Shivanasamudra is the most popular waterfall on river Kaveri, located in Chamarajanara district bordering Mandya district. Gaganachukki and Bharachukki waterfalls are considered to be among the best 100 waterfalls of the world. The waterfalls are located at a distance of about 139 kilometers from Bangalore and about 60 kilometers from Mysore. Shivanasamudra is a must-visit post-monsoon season for the visual treat it offers, and this is the first hydroelectric power station in Asia. A beautiful heritage stone bridge is located just 2 to 3 kilometers before the waterfalls. It was named after Arthur Wellesley, a colonial administrator, and later renamed as Lushington Bridge in 1835 after then the Governor of Madras. You can also enjoy the beautiful view of Kaveri river flowing, which makes this a delightful frame of shutterbugs. Shivanasamudra consists of two waterfalls, Gaganachukki and Bharachukki. Though part of the same Kaveri river, the viewpoints to observe Gaganachukki and Bharachukki are about 15 kilometers apart. The segmented Bharachukki falls are graceful one and more popular one among the two falls. This jagged crashes cascade of water is also the wider one among two falls. The east branch of the waterfalls is known as Bharachukki, while the west branch is called as Gaganachukki. Bharachukki and Gaganachukki waterfalls are together known as Shivanasamudra Falls. River water dropping off tall rock cliffs with lush green forest all around ensures a mesmerizing view of photographers' delight. The waterfalls are created by River Kaveri that runs down a 75-meter gorge before it divided into two branches that flows around the island of Shivanasamudra. The waterfalls can also be approached by another way that passes through Dargah of Hazrat Mardain Gaib. It presents the upstream end of waterfall and is closer to Bharachukki Falls. The view of upstream end is particularly fascinating during monsoon when the volume of water swells by several degrees. The two branches, eastern and western branches, flow through deep ravines on either side of the island before plunging into two different places a kilometers apart to form Bharachukki and Gaganachukki waterfalls. Barachukki and Gaganachukki falls are separated by just a few kilometers of distance. This distance can be covered by a 15 to 20 minutes drive. The Gaganachukki falls are shaped like a huge horse tail. It is a steep waterfall that rushes down with great velocity and provides incredible view. The Gaganachukki waterfalls are being best viewed from the watchtower at Shivanasamudra. The twin waterfalls have an average height of 98 meters and can be approached from two sides. Reaching the bottom of the waterfalls from the watchtower is not possible as the area is fenced and no one is allowed to go near the falls. The Bharachukki and Gaganachukki falls are perennial and can be visited throughout the year. However, the best time to visit the waterfalls is during the monsoon season that extends from June to September. During the season, the waterfalls are in full swing and the view is gorgeous one. Both the waterfalls are excellent picnic spots. The waterfalls are open for public visit from 6 am to 6 pm. A security checkpost at Shivanasamudra prevents visitors from visiting the waterfalls after 6 pm in the evening.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ದೇವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಹಾರಿಸ್ತವ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಕಾಗೆ ಹಾರಿಸ್ತವ್ರೆ ಎಸ್